Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are diving into an exciting topic which is artificial intelligence in neuroscience. Whether you are new to AI, neuroscience or both, we'll break it down to make it super easy to understand. By the end of this video, you'll have a good grasp of how AI is transforming the study of the brain and some fascinating real-world applications. In today's video, I'm going to cover what is artificial intelligence and what is neuroscience, why to integrate AI with neuroscience, what is the need of it, what are the key concepts in AI and neuroscience, what are some of the major applications, some real-world case studies, future aspects, and the ethical considerations. For those who don't know me, I am Affan Sheikh, an AI engineer, a researcher, and a neuroscientist. I am very much passionate about merging neuroscience and artificial intelligence. Also, I am actively researching and building an AI-based EEG headset that can track and monitor brain activities in real time. These are my contact details for any queries or collaborations. If you are new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe because I'll be making a lot of educational videos related to AI, research, neuroscience, and travel as well. So let's get started. Firstly, let's cover some basics. What exactly is artificial intelligence or AI? In simple terms, artificial intelligence is the ability of computers or machines to perform tasks that usually require human intelligence. These tasks include learning, problem solving, understanding language, and recognizing patterns. AI allows machines to think and make decisions based on the data provided, which helps them improve over time without needing to be programmed for each specific task. Now let's talk about neuroscience. Neuroscience is basically the study of the brain and nervous system. It explores how the brain works, how we think, we feel, remember, and even how we dream. The brain is made up of billions of nerve cells called neurons, which communicate through tiny electrical impulses. Neuroscience helps us to understand everything from simple brain functions to these complex behaviors. Ultimately, neuroscience aims to unlock the mysteries of the mind and improve our overall mental health. So why do we need to use AI in neuroscience? Well, the human brain is extremely complex and studying it creates a ton of data. Imagine analyzing every signal from billions of neurons. That's where AI comes in. It can help us process and understand this huge amount of data more efficiently, speeding up discoveries and even unlocking things we never knew were possible. With AI, scientists can map out neural networks, detect diseases at early stage, and even create brain-computer interfaces. Pretty amazing, right? Before we jump into applications, let's touch on some key concepts that will help you guys understand how AI fits into neuroscience. Firstly, let's know about neural networks. Neural networks are computer programs designed to work like human brains. They have layers of connected units called neurons that take in information, process it, and learn to identify patterns. These networks are very important in AI and are often used to analyze data from the brain. Next, machine learning. Machine learning is a branch of AI that enables computers to learn from the data and improve over time without needing specific instructions. In neuroscience, this means that these systems can identify patterns in brain activity and detect issues in brain scans based on the data they have learned from. Now, what is deep learning? Deep learning is a more advanced type of machine learning that uses complex networks with many layers of neurons. It is particularly effective at analyzing images such as MRI or EEG scans of the brain, making it essential for further research in neuroscience. Now that we have a foundation, let's look at some major applications of AI in neuroscience. First up is disease diagnosis. AI is helping us identify neurological diseases like Alzheimer's and Parkinson's at a very early stage. For example, when we take MRI or EEG scans, AI can quickly analyze these images to detect small changes that might be early signs of a disease. This means we could start treatments earlier, possibly slowing down or even preventing the disease. AI-powered tools like IBM Watson have been used in research to analyze data and provide insights into neurological diseases. By the way, for those who don't know, IBM Watson is an AI system developed by IBM that can analyze large amount of data, understand natural language, and provide insights. It uses advanced machine learning and natural language processing to interpret and process information. Next, let's talk about brain-computer interfaces or BCI. BCI are innovative systems that facilitate direct communication between the brain and an external device. They typically use sensors to detect and interpret brain activity. This is where AI plays a crucial role by translating brain signals into actions. For instance, imagine a person with paralysis using their thoughts to control a robotic arm. BCIs are making this a reality. AI interprets brain signals and sends commands to robotic devices, which allows them to control objects with their thoughts. Look how far technology has evolved. Leading companies like Neuralink are developing BCIs with the potential to not only assist with mobility but also to treat brain injuries and enhance memory. Another growing field is mental health monitoring. AI can analyze brainwave patterns to detect emotional states, stress levels, and even the early signs of mental health issues like depression. With wearable devices such as EEG headset, AI can provide real-time feedback on your mental state. This can be helpful for people to manage stress or seek early treatment. For example, if someone is at risk of depression, the device can alert them, helping them take steps to improve their mental health. To see this in action, here are some real-world case studies where AI is making a difference. Alzheimer's disease detection. Researchers have created AI algorithms to analyze MRI scans for Alzheimer's disease. One such system can identify early signs of the disease with over 90% accuracy, which is way before typically symptoms appear. By finding these signs early, treatments can be started sooner, which may slow the progression of the disease. Another example is Neuralink, a company founded by Elon Musk, is working on brain implants that let people control devices with their thoughts. The future of AI in neuroscience is incredibly exciting. We are only scratching the surface now, but we could see AI applications that help us understanding consciousness, improve memory, or even boost learning abilities. Early diagnosis and precision medicine. AI can enable earlier detection and more personalized treatments for the neurological disorders like Alzheimer's or Parkinson's. Enhancing BCIs. AI-driven BCIs could allow us to control devices with our thoughts, aiding rehabilitation for the brain injuries. Memory and learning enhancements. Future AI tools may support memory retention and improve learning abilities through targeted brain stimulation. With great power comes great responsibility, and that's why there are a lot of ethical concerns with using AI in neuroscience. The biggest one is privacy. Brain data is very personal, and it's essential to ensure that the data is secure and used responsibly. Another one is dependency and decision making. As AI becomes more involved in brain-related applications, there's a risk of over-relying on AI for important health decisions. It's essential to ensure that human experts are still in control and able to interpret results, especially in critical cases. Consent and transparency. Users need to fully understand how their brain data is collected, used, and shared. Clear consent and transparency are essential so that the people feel safe and informed. There's also the potential for misuse, such as unauthorized brain tracking or manipulation. To sum up, AI in neuroscience is a powerful tool that's opening new frontiers in understanding and treating the brain. From disease diagnosis and brain-computer interfaces to mental health monitoring, AI is making things possible that we could only dream of. And while there are challenges, the potential for good is massive. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more such content. Thanks again for watching the video. Allah Hafiz. Assalamu alaikum.